Hello, let's discuss today the synthesis of promethazine. So promethazine is a specifically drug which is coming under H1 antagonist, specifically first generation H1 antagonist from the category phenothiazine. Now phenothiazine. So as the name is self-explaining, phenyl ring must be there, thia means sulfur must be there, and aza means nitrogen must be there. So first, what will be our target? First, we have to synthesize the heterocycle, that is phenothiazine. So that can be synthesized from diphenylamine. The main precursor or the main starting material is diphenylamine. Now we are having two benzene ring along with aza means nitrogens. So this diphenylamine or specifically most of the phenothiazine type of drugs that can be synthesized by simple sulfuration reaction. So that sulfuration reaction in the sense simply the addition of sulfur which is takes place in presence of iodine. So here diphenylamine when treated with sulfur in presence of iodine. So we are getting that phenothiazine. So sulfur group has been introduced to the ring. So now this is the basic skeleton or the main scaffold that phenothiazine we have synthesized. Now we have to synthesize promethazine. So once this phenothiazine has been framed, that is treated with the halide, specifically 1-chloro-NN dimethyl propane 2-amine, because the side chain which is attached to this nitrogen, it consists of 3 carbons. So if the numbering, if I will number it, just from this 1, 2 and 3. So that becomes 3 carbon means that is propane. At second position, there is 2, 2 or we can say the NN dimethyl group is present. And at first carbon, chlorine is present. So that's why 1-chloro NN dimethyl propane 2-amine. So this is the alkyl halide which can be treated with the phenothiazine which is the basic skeleton. Now this reaction takes place in presence of base, that is sodamide. Now bases have the property to accept the proton or to abstract the proton. So there is a simple reaction that this nitrogen attack or react with this halide and this chlorine as a good living group that could be eliminated. So here that nitrogen will attach with this carbon with the elimination of HCl. So all this reaction takes place or all this interaction takes place in presence of base. So bases as per the property abstraction of proton. So this proton will be abstracted by the proton, that base, and then there is a elimination of this good living group. So here whatever this part, if I will split this structure, this main skeleton is coming from this phenothiazine moiety, and whatever this side chain, it is coming from this halide, that is 1-chloro-NN dimethyl propane 2-amine. So when these two fused or interact or react with each other in presence of sodamide, so we are getting promethazine, which is basically a H1 antagonist. Thank you.